Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by creating the Google Analytics GA4 property and adding a web data stream. This gives you the measurement ID you need. Once you have that GXXXXXXX ID, make sure you can log into your WordPress admin and install plugins. You need only basic settings now. Don't skip the data stream because it's the connector. After confirming admin rights and copying the measurement ID, move straight to installing the tracking method so Analytics can begin receiving page data. Install SiteKit by Google for the simplest link, or choose Insert Headers and Footers if you prefer manual placement. If using SiteKit, follow its connect steps and sign in to the same Google account. It will detect your GA4 property. If you paste the measurement ID into a header plugin, place it in the head section and save. Once done, verify the plugin reports a successful connection and enable enhanced measurement in the GA4 stream, so page views and basic events are tracked automatically. Finish by opening Google Analytics real-time reports and loading your site. You should see live hits if tracking works. Make sure to clear any WordPress caching or CDN caches and test in an incognito window and on a second device. If you don't see data, recheck the measurement ID, ensure the plugin is active, and that SiteKit permissions are granted. One key troubleshooting tip: disable other header plugins or tag managers temporarily to isolate conflicting scripts, then re-enable them after confirming.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.